Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments. I do read every one of them. Okay. Y'all please check out my 2 new books. They're linked below. Also subscribe to my new channel. It's also linked below. The name of that channel is Wally's World Blogs. Y'all, Friday evening, I was the first to report on Trump wanting to send a stimulus check out now with the $300 billion that was just sitting in an account, not being used and not needed for anything else. Now I see everyone is reporting on it. I just think it's funny that people says all I do is clickbait, but now the video that I made, everybody is making that video. I was the first one to report it because when Donald Trump said it on his speech, 10 minutes later my video was up. I'm not saying that I'm better than anybody else by saying that. Everybody's got the right to report it. It's just everybody says I'm doing clickbait. Obviously not. As you all know, the Senate comes back to work on Tuesday for a 4-day week. Let's hope they do something in those 4 days. I know, fat chance on that. But one can hope, can't he? President Trump says he can send this money out without the okay from Congress. But he would like to get them to sign off on it. And it don't have to be a 900-page bill. Just a 1 sentence with their signed name on it is all it would take. Then all Donald Trump would have to do is tell the feds to start sending out the checks. The feds could start sending out the checks with a click of a few buttons. It would be that fast. The checks would be flowing. Only if he gets the approval from Nancy and Mooch. Now if he don't, he can do it himself, but it's going to take a little bit longer. Now if Congress don't sign this, they are just giving the American people the middle finger. And you know what that means. If this happens, they will be gone in November. And they know this. So I think it leaves them no choice but to sign off on the stimulus checks now. Y'all tell me what you think about this in the comments below. Y'all, yesterday morning I told you that Amy and I we had a road trip planned. Well, we went over to OWA, which is a big theme park in Foley, Alabama. We ended up having lunch at Paula Deen's restaurant. Oh my Lord. That food it reminded me so much of my grandma. Had fried chicken, spare ribs, pot roast, collard greens, cucumber and tomato salad, green beans, candy jams, and iced tea. And I don't know if you know about Paula Deen's restaurant, but it's served family style. We ate everything they brought us, and then we requested more of everything. So we had 2 servings of everything. It was good. But they serve it family style, and it's all you can eat, and it's like $18 a person. Lord, I was hurting when I left there. Oh yeah, at the end I had banana pudding. It's just a little glob of banana pudding in a little monkey dish. But believe me, that's all you needed. After eating all that food, you don't need a whole bunch of banana pudding. Y'all, then we went to walk around at the park out there, and it was so hot, and I could not keep up with Amy. Finally, I just gave up. I went and sat in the car and turned on the air conditioning and just waited for it. I said, enjoy yourself. Don't rush. I went out to the car, turned on the AC, full blast, and I took a nap. Let her get out there and play around in that hot sun. It was just too hot for me. Y'all, please check out my books. They're in the links below. And also subscribe to my new channel, Wally's World's Blogs. It's also in the link below. On that channel, I do how to make money online videos every day. So y'all be sure and check that out. And just know, I love you all. Until the next time, ciao.